What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to sort YouTube comments by new. Now, for YouTube videos, they automatically default to where the most popular and most liked comments will automatically appear at the top. This is just so that you have a good idea on the video, and most of the time when I'm reading the comment section, I actually like this feature, but sometimes for whatever reason you just want to sort by new. Now, creators actually give you the option to, whenever you upload a video, to automatically sort by new, but by default it's by popular, and for obvious reasons they leave it on. But like I said, for whatever reason you might just want to sort by new. So you're just going to open up the video that you want to open. Just going to open this video by my boy Van City Van Life, a great YouTuber if you haven't checked him out. It's going to take a second to load here. But I'm just going to go straight to the comment section and show you guys how to do this. So once you're in the comment section now, you can see it loading up, but sort of like at the top right of the comment section, you're going to see a little X. It's kind of right below the video, so not really top right, but right next to the X is going to be a little slider icon. You're just going to hit the slider icon, and then you'll be able to sort the comments. I'm just demonstrating right now to show you that it shows like 3 months ago, and it's the most liked comments. But once you hit the slider icon, you'll be able to sort the comments by new. And you can see now some of these are 24 minutes ago, 1 day ago, 1 week ago. This is an old video, so there's not too many new comments coming in. But you could see that these are clearly the newest comments for a video that's a couple years old already.
Drive for work.
That's pretty much all there is to it, though.
You drive
if you
for
were
work
confused
is worth
or you
up to
had any
500
questions on how this works, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da.